We're going to the supply sergeant. It is. Oh no. There's so much traffic. Yeah, we're stuck in traffic. Woohoo. Supply sergeant. Pants. Jackets. Whoa, cool jacket. Hat. Oh, look at these hats. Hat. Oh, look at these white ones. These are cool. Hats. Oh, are these new stuff? These look like new stuff. Wow. Look, they have rocket launchers there. What's over here? Oh, these are cool. Whoa, more bags. What are you? It's a butt bag. Nice. Danger. Danger. The Jeep here. Not as cool as I thought. This is a 997. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, though.
It looks nice on you.
Oh, I forgot to record the store. Should I like make a U-turn and do a little drive-by? So, hang on. That's the food.
Oh, you want me to lift the bread?
Yeah, lift it.
Oh. Wow.
Look at that. It smells delicious. It's this place called Mini Kebab. I'm just gonna make a U-turn. And then we got there, they're like, oh, it's sold out. But I have this plate here, stuff that somebody didn't pick up. Sitting here for 15 minutes, do you want it? I was like, hell yeah. And it's good? Yeah, I will try. Mmm. Mmm. We're at a random park in Glendale with fat squirrels. Really fat squirrels. And now we're gonna eat our food. Grilled veggies. What is that? Is that a whole tomato?
Yeah.
Nice. Finished the food. I give 8 out of 10. Bye. Oh, welcome back. Is that how squirrels sound? What in the fuck? They're communicating. Now we're going to Pasadena. 13 minutes. Let's go. I've seen this one. GT3. Pretty cool. What is this? Oh, it's a 50th anniversary. Is that one 50th anniversary too? It is. There's two of them here. Wow. There's another one over there. $996, $997, random Taycan, another $996. Is this another 50th anniversary? It is. There's three of them here. Chrome wheels. Very nice green. Look at the lights are green.
How you doing, Nick? Doing good?
This is
Man, all these people are excited to see the brand new Gunther Werks Tornado. Their
Werks.
here. Such a beautiful car. Just made its debut. How many horsepower is in that? 700 horsepower in this beautiful Gunther Werks.
That is beautiful.
One of my favorite cars here. Big body,
Say
914, 360.
12.
This guy's gonna cook you guys with personalized teas for your hair. I've got Brit Pop-Tarts in the house.
Beautiful.
Beautiful day. And also right next to them. Lots of great accessories there. AR Motorworks. Come check them out. If you guys want that big lip on that previous E88s or 964 or those LFs or your 997, go drop by, check them out. Left hand side, we got the boys from Ice Works. Ice Glass Works. These guys are going to be, these guys specialize. Amazing. Right next to them, on the left hand side, you got Ron Walker Insurance. Man, come see him because you probably don't have enough coverage for your car. That is the right guy to see. We have Mama Citizen right here up on top of City Hall, right underneath the arch. We have the Stiglet doing a live stream. Looks like he's getting set right now. And at 6 p.m. we got Tom. Let's do it.
That's so loud. Dog. Oh, let's go in the chair.
We also have Eric from Supreme Power right over there. Are you ready? Your voice is good? All right.
It's so wonderful. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go down. I'm just
Large format. I will see. That's pretty huge.
I want your day. It's all I'm feeling. Feeling lost in breathe me in, breathe me out.
993. There's another purple one. Cool colors. I'm gonna see. Manual. Line 14. Blacked out badge. Wow, this one is very black. Look at it. Everything's black. Recaro seat. Interesting yellow. Oh, that is such a nice green. Blue. Look, that one's the same color as my shirt. That is beautiful. This is a 911S 912 Targa. It's the same color as my shirt. Here we go. Nice. Oh look, it's got funny looking seats. It's so small in there. I think I've seen that one. These are beautiful. Oh, this red one. Oh, 356. Guards red. Very cool. There's so many here. This is a cool color. Blue. Blue seat belts. Can you see the blue seat belts? Bolton cage, I think. This one's really low. Very interesting. Oh, slant nose. Look at that. White wheels. Oh, wow. This one is super cool. Top is blue. White wheels, slant nose, super cool. Tight squeeze. Ah! This is a cool shot. Anyway, let's keep walking. Let's go outside. Cool. Look at how clean the seats are. Oh, look at this. Nice new lights. These wheels are actually super cool. Very cool wheels. This is cool. Targa. Is this? Let's see. Marlboro livery, very cool. Oh, this is a Moby Dick. Very interesting livery.
Yeah, that's
Look at that wing. It's nasty. Nice Hot Wheels sticker. Hot Wheels stickers on the inside. Ooh. Very cool. I think this is the car James Dean died in. Well, not the actual car, but so cool. Look at this GT3 Cup car. I bet this thing sounds nasty.
Right over here, these guys are the best. If you guys need some oil,
We've seen all these
go see them.
before.
It's a real oil company, not
Very, very cool.
the other ones out there. Once again, go see the boys at Mold Tool over here. They're doing a raffle.
Green. These aren't very interesting. Oh, look at that one. I'm gonna go look at that one. Look at this. What is this? It says GT2 on it. This big ass arrow wing. Very cool. Oh, look at the little cart that comes with it. Very, very cool. See the inside. This is a, I don't know, 912, I believe, 911S. Very clean. It's still warm. Came from Florida. Nice. That is a GT2 RS. I think GT2 RS. 911 new 992 turbo. 997 GT2, GT3, GT3 RS, I think. That's a really nice blue. It's the new 992 Turbo S. Very cool with the black. Super cool with the black. All blacked out windows. This is actually a very, very nice spec. Carbon mirrors. Cool. GT2 RS. That is a 992. What is this? GTS? Yeah, 992 GTS. Carrera 4 GTS. Cool. It's cool. This looks familiar. Is this YYZ Curator? Oh no, that's a GT3 Touring. Never mind. This guy's having trouble parking. I'm gonna go back here. 996. Another 996. This is a turbo 996. What is this? Aero kit. Oh, look at this license plate. It's like yellow. 991 Carrera GTS. 992 GT3 Touring. Cool blue. boring red. Oh, look at that red one over there. This is what I want, a 944. This is a 944. It looks like a early 1980s with the cool bumpers. Mirrors. That's an automatic? It's an automatic. Interesting. Oh my god. Completely stripped. 944s are so cool. This is a 924 turbo. I like the little light here. Yeah, I don't think I like 924 to be honest. 944 is very cool though. 996. Boxster. Now we're walking backwards. Big dog. Big dog. Oh no, it's getting dark. It's getting dark and cold. I like this. Oops. Just trip over me. This Apple livery is actually super cool on this GT3 RS. So many people here. Can't see anything.
Look at all these amazing cars that we have lined up here today. Go by there and say hello.
Oh, we have a Baja 911. Oh, these are so cool.
Model Works. We have Model Citizen.
Baja 911s.
Perfect Lines 911s. We have Ron Walker Insurance Services.
Look at that. This Apple one is cool.
Ice Glass Works. Check out the clothes with some dry ice plastic. Look underneath that beautiful one.
Oh, there's another one over there.
That engine bay. And we have the guys from O'Toole.
Look at these big old wheels.
O'Toole has that giveaway.
Oh yeah. Red interior. Another Baja. Another Baja 911. Oh, look at these wheels. Super cool. Oh, this is Retro Werks. Very cool. This one's very cool too. This new GT3, is that a wrap? Is that a wrap or no? That's not a wrap. That looks pretty cool. Very black. I didn't get this. Look at these. This is what you want for off-roading. That is awesome. These are so cool. Very nice. So cool. Okay, that's it. Leaving now. Say bye to all these cars. See you next time. Very cool Alpha at the parking garage.